Now we will take a small leap in time and I'll show you the most enjoyable aspect of this process. It's important to monitor your monthly income by reviewing it every month. This way you can track your passive income and plan for the future. Click on Performance and Reports, then select Statements. Click on Activity, set a date range, choosing the first and last business days of the month. Then click on Download. This is the report. Scroll down until you locate the dividends table. This table represents the cash received from stocks in your account during April. I'll copy this table to the one I created in Google Sheets and I name this file Rent. Here is the completed table. I use the sum function to calculate the total dividends. In this column, I list the symbol of every stock, referring to them as tenants, similar to real estate. Observe the different dates when you receive cash throughout the month. You can use this money to buy meals at McDonald's, pay bills, repay loans, or reinvest it to increase your passive income for the next month. Every month, fill the table with the cash received according to the statement. Now, let's examine the profit for April. I earned $239, and as you can see, while some stocks declined, others increased, resulting in a balanced outcome. By investing in multiple stocks, we protect ourselves if some stocks perform poorly. In this example, I invested in stocks with a high dividend yield. However, when building your own portfolio, consider adding safer stocks to mitigate volatility and gradually increase your portfolio's value. Now, let's approximate the yield this portfolio will generate annually. First, I multiply the cash received this month by 12. You can observe that it amounts to 11% since I invested $100,000. To be more precise, it's 11.2%. If you invest real money, you will be subject to a 25% tax in the US. To calculate the post-tax amount, I multiply the yearly amount by 0.75. Therefore, the yield after tax is 8.4%. This yield is quite impressive considering the minimal effort and time I invested. I have to admit, I didn't even sweat that much. Now compare it to purchasing an apartment. How much effort does that require? Here I simply purchased some stocks and received my rent in a simple manner. I can easily reinvest it and boost my monthly income for the following month. How would you invest the rent from an apartment? If you aim to increase the rent, you have to negotiate with the tenant. However, negotiating with the tenant poses the risk of losing him and experiencing a temporary loss of monthly income. With stocks, you won't encounter these problems.